Well, hi, I'm John Hassel, the Lake Guy, here at Cedar Creek Lake with the Debbie French Real Estate Group with Ebby. And today I'd like to show you a listing that we have in Enchanted Oaks. This is 3 lots together, just beautiful lots, almost almost 2/3 of an acre, right down the street from one of the best launch ramps they have. They have 2 in here, but I like this one the best, by the way. Beautiful lot. Come build your home here, your dream house, park your RV, build you a swimming pool, although Enchanted Oaks, the city of, does have a swimming pool, so you got to take that advantage also. Beautiful subdivision, one of the nicest ones on the lake, close and convenient to Gun Barrel, so you've got all the city conveniences and you're right here. It's a great neighborhood. A lot of full-time people live here. A lot of beautiful waterfront homes. Can't beat it to get out and walk around and just visit, and gosh, it's fantastic. But I'm going to give you a look at this, and we're going to go down and take a look at the launch ramp, which is really nice. Anyway, let's get started. I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. These are your lots right here. There's 3 lots in here, and I think they're lots 3, 4, and 5, but I could be wrong about that. But there are 3 joined together. You've got a beautiful building site right here. I mean, you'll have to clear out a few trees. That's your closest neighbor down there. Now that lot right there is just sold. So you've got a beautiful building site in here. Put your house in the middle of it, put it off to one side. Fantastic. Keep 2, sell 1. But you're not going to find 2 lots in this subdivision together, much less 3, especially 2/3 of an acre. But anyway, here's your drive-in. As you notice, the streets are well maintained. There's your neighbor across the street. Down the street, you got a street that comes in here with the intersection, and right down this way, this is where the launch ramp is. Yeah, I mean, you're a 1/4 of a mile, maybe not that far. We're going to go down there in just a second. But anyway, beautiful day here in January. We've been full of rain and clouds and wind and cold, but gosh, folks, don't wait too long on this, because you won't find this around here again. Let's go take a look at that launch ramp. Okay, I'm standing on a pier for the launch ramp. Here you can see the waterfront. Now the lake's still about 3 feet low. You see a couple of picnic tables there. There's your walkway coming out. There's the launch ramp. As you can see, there's got water there. There are some unbelievable views of the lake. And there's Enchanted Isle right across from you. So you can come down here, tie up your boat, go swimming, do a little fishing. Gosh, I'm telling you, you're just a short walk from there. Bring your wave runners, bring your boat, bring your kayaks, have a wonderful day, enjoy the day. But yeah, this is Enchanted Oaks, and it is a fantastic place to live, and you will absolutely love it. If you'd like more information about these 3 lots or any other property here on Cedar Creek Lake, please get in touch with me. You can visit us at our website, debbiefrench.com. Have all kinds of listings there that we've got for sale. Or you can email me, john@debbiefrench.com. Either way, come to the lake, enjoy it. Fantastic building site, fantastic subdivision, close and convenient to everything. Y'all come to the lake, you'd be glad you did. Bye now.